Hi Year 2 and welcome to your maths lesson. I'm going to share my screen and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with our fast five. So pause your screen, take a moment and take as long as you need to answer these questions. Off you go. Right, well done. Let's go through the answers and see how many you got right. So we're going 7 add 4 is 11. 15 take away 4 is also 11. 75 add 14 is 89. 95 take away 21 is 74. 37 add 35 is 72. 81 take away 23 is 58. 68 add 27 is 95. 91 take away 56 is 35. Well done. If you got them all right, fantastic. And you can also show me the part holes diagrams for each of those pictures as well, which would be fantastic to see. And you can always send them off. Brilliant. Well done. Let's move on to the next part of our lesson. So today we're going to be multiplying. I'm going to change the date because we're doing this on the 7th now. We're going to read the number sentence. We're going to draw the number of groups we need. We're going to put the amount needed in each group. We're going to count the total. We're going to write the answer, and we're going to show as a part whole diagram. Okay, so we're going to be doing word problems today. So we're going to be finding out the key numbers and we're going to be drawing them. So I've got a problem for you. Mr. Gardner has 3 bags of 8 marbles. How many marbles does he have altogether? So first of all, what are the key numbers we're going to be looking at? What is our number sentence going to be? How can we draw this problem using pictures? What's our answer? And how can we show it as a part whole? So Mr. Gardner has 3 bags of 8 marbles. So let's think about how we can draw it and what our number sentence will be. Pause the screen and have a go. Okay, so let's start. Mr. Gardner has 3 bags of 8 marbles. How many marbles does he have altogether? So what are our key numbers? Our key numbers are 3 and 8. Now, are we going to be adding 3 and 8? Do we have 3 marbles and then 8 marbles? No, we've got 3 bags of 8 marbles. So that's like 3 groups of 8 marbles. So our number sentence will be 3 times 8. So 3 groups of 8 equals. So let's draw this problem using the picture. Okay, so we're going to draw 3 groups of 8. So I'm going to get 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And in each group, we're going to put 8. Okay, or another way I could do it is I could draw 8 dots. I can use my counting skills. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's our answer? We're going to count them all together. So I'm going to count in 8, but if you want to, you can count the dots. We've got 8, 16, 24. So our answer is going to be 24. And now we can show it as a part whole. So I'm going to show it using a table. So I'm going to put my whole is going to be here. You can do your part whole with circles as we've done before. You can do it. So here's my whole number, my big whole number, my total is going to be 24 because that's my biggest number, my whole. Okay, and then I'm going to have 3 groups because I've got 3 bags. So I'm going to get 3 groups, put them underneath here like so. And in each group, I'm going to have 8. 8. 8. So I know that 8 adds 8 adds 8 is 24. Because remember, my number of parts is my number of groups, and what is in each group goes in each part. And my answer is 24. Well done if you've got that one right. Now let's move on. So who can remember from yesterday what commutative means? Okay, have a little pause and have a little think. Okay, now commutative means that it doesn't matter what order you put the numbers in, they'll still get the same answer in a number sentence. So adding is commutative, but is multiplication? Yes or no? Have a little think. The answer is yes. It doesn't matter. So 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 4 is 12. It doesn't matter the order. But when we take away and when we divide, the order does change the answer. The order does matter. So that's what commutative means. Okay, now we're going to carry on using our success criteria to solve these problems. Okay, so I'm going to take out this. Okay, so me, it's my turn to do one, so we're going to do it together. Okay, I have 4 bags of 4 cakes. How many cakes do I have altogether? Draw it in your books or on your paper under your Fast 5, write the number sentence and draw the part whole. Pause me now. Okay, well done, fantastic. So I've got 4 bags of 4 cakes. So my key numbers are 4 and 4. But am I adding them together? Am I adding them together like I would 4 cakes add another 4 cakes? Or am I looking at groups of? Well, I've got 4 bags of 4 cakes, so it's looking at groups. Okay, so I'm going to draw my 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each bag, I'm going to put dots to show my cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. And then I'm going to write my number sentence, which is going to be 4 times 4, because I'm looking at 4 groups of 4, 4 bags of, 4 lots of, however you want to think of it. I'm not adding 4 cakes and another 4 cakes. Now, my part whole, I'm going to get my total first of all. So my total I need 1. I'm going to have to do it in circles for some reason. Right, so we're going to have our whole here. So we're going to have our whole number is going to be our total. So let's first of all work out our total. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So our answer is going to be 16, or another way you could do it is to write, to count the dots. So our whole number is going to be 16. Is going to be 16. And then we're going to have 4 groups. We're going to have 4 parts down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each part, it's not good with this pen. In each part, we are going to put 4. So I'm going to put 4 in there. 4 in there. 4 in there. Four, 4, and 4. So in each group we've got 4. So we've got 4 groups, and in each of them is 4. Right, let's move on down here. Next one to have a go at. We have, oh, it's come down here. We have 3 groups of 5 children in my class. How many children are in my class? Pause your screen and have a go. Write the number sentence, write the part whole, and draw your picture. All right then, I'm just getting my part wholes ready for our next bit. So we have 3 groups of 5 children. How many children are in my class? So my key numbers are going to be 3 and 5, and we've got 3 groups of 5. So we're not adding 3 and 5, we're timesing them because we've got groups of. So we're going to write 3 times 5 equals. Okay, we're then going to have a go at drawing it. So we're going to draw 3 groups, and in each group we're going to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then our answer altogether, let's count in 5s, 5, 10, 15. So our answer is going to be 15. Okay, now we're going to have a little go at making our part whole. So our total for our part whole is going to be, keep it smaller, is going to be 15, and we're then going to have 3 parts join us. We've got 3 groups, and in each of these parts we are going to put 5. 5, 5, 5, because we're making 15. Because each of our parts is how many groups we've got, and in each part we're going to have 5. Right, next one. I have 5 boxes of 10 crayons. How many altogether? So write your number sentence, write your part whole, and draw your picture. Off you go. Okay, well done. So we've got 5 boxes of 10. So we're not doing 5 add 10. We're going to be doing 5 times 10, because a box is like a group, it's like a bag, it's 5 lots of something. So we're going to have 5 times 10. Okay, now let's draw our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know really well how to count in 10, so I'm not going to put 10 dots in, because I know how to, so I'm just going to put in each one a 10. Okay, and then I'm going to count in 10s really quickly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So my answer is going to be 50. Okay, now my part whole, again, my whole number is going to be, my computer's been really silly today. My part whole number is going to be 50. That's going to be my total number. And then I'm going to have underneath it, I'm going to have 5 groups. Okay, like that. And in each of my groups, I'm going to put 10, because remember my parts are how many groups I have, and then in each part is how many groups. 10, 10. Let's move this all up a bit. You can still see it. Right, there we go. Okay, so that's how we're working out those different things. You're going to write the number sentence, you're going to draw your picture, and then you're going to write your part whole. So read the number sentence, draw the number of groups you need, put the amount needed in each group, count the total, write the answer, show us a part whole diagram. So you've got lots of problems here on the board. The easier ones are on this side, and the harder ones are on this side. So the first one, for example, is Miss Druce has 3 bags of 4 marbles. How many marbles does she have? So you can draw it, okay? So draw the bags, write the number sentence, and then work out the answer. Now these are a bit harder because you've got 2 steps to them. So I have 4 boxes of 7 bananas. I then eat 6 of those bananas, not 6 boxes, 6 bananas. How many do I have left? So you're going to write the number sentence for the first bit, 4 times 7, okay? So you can write that on there for you. So we've got 4 times 7, and when you work that out, you'll find it equals 28. Okay, and then we're going to eat 6 bananas, so 28 now, take away 6. So you need to write those 2 number sentences. And 28 take away 28 take away 6, and we get left 22. Okay, so that would be the answer. So you can have a right go now at this one or these ones and work out the answers. And remember, as always, send your answers to year2@thepalmeracademy.com. Have fun. Thank you for bearing with me with all the technical difficulties and things of getting it all on the screen for you. Have a lovely morning, enjoy your home learning, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.